Evening, guys. So it's now um, 9 o'clock in the evening here in Canada, in Alberta. I'm just chilling here, watching YouTube videos, vlogs. While my daughter is taking a nap. Yeah, no, sobrang late na, pero yun talaga. So, I think just taking a nap now for an hour and a half. Then, pag nagising siya, around between 10 to 11. Next told me is 11. 1 or 2. Kasi gano'n bet na naman tayo. Pero, ganun talaga. So, pasensya na lang. I have eye bugs. This is just a short video. Just testing it out. If I can upload a short video. And thank you for taking time to watch. Bye. Good night.